Today I'm going to show you how modern fuel injection cleaning systems work.
Despite billions of dollars spent on fuel injector cleaners annually, not one has ever been endorsed by the EPA. Some cleaners promise miraculous results, but can actually clog your fuel system, immobilize your car, and destroy your catalytic converter. Today we're exposing the worst fuel injector cleaners that could cost you thousands in repairs, and revealing the best ones that actually work. By the end, you'll discover a practically free solution that could save your engine. If you find this information valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive insights, and share this with fellow car enthusiasts. Drop a comment below about your experience with fuel injector cleaners or any questions you have about maintaining your fuel system. The biggest fuel injector cleaner scams: generic low-cost fuel injector cleaners. Those $3 fuel injector cleaners you see at department stores are automotive poison in a bottle. It's impossible for such cheap chemicals to restore factory performance or boost fuel economy by the claimed 25%. These budget cleaners lack the essential active ingredient polyethylamine, known as P, which is the only proven compound for dissolving stubborn carbon deposits. Instead, they rely on basic solvents like kerosene or alcohol that can only remove surface grime. What makes these cleaners dangerous is their ability to provide temporary relief by improving rough idling or clearing check engine lights, giving users false confidence while secretly damaging their engines. The hidden dangers of cheap cleaners. The most catastrophic problem with low-cost cleaners is their tendency to dislodge large chunks of debris rather than dissolving them properly. These chunks then travel through your fuel system, clogging filters, injectors, and even catalytic converters. Some formulations contain monophenyllamine, which destroys nylon fuel lines, leading to repairs costing up to $1,000. The ultimate irony is that these cleaners designed to fix fuel injection problems can cost up to $2,500 to repair the very components they were meant to clean. The temporary improvement they provide masks the long-term destruction happening inside your engine. Seafoam motor treatment controversy. Seafoam has been trusted since 1942 as a multi-purpose fuel additive, making it painful to include on this list. However, despite its reputation for cleaning carburetors and fuel systems, Seafoam does not effectively clean fuel injectors. The product lacks P, relying instead on naphtha and isopropyl alcohol. While excellent for cleaning oil systems, lubricating engines, and removing ice from fuel lines, Seafoam cannot tackle the baked-in carbon deposits that accumulate over years of driving. Like other solvent-based products, it can loosen deposits that cause blockages elsewhere in the system. Seafoam works best on two-stroke engines, but shows minimal impact on four-stroke car engines. For fuel injection cleaning,
Abro fuel injector
cleaner problems. Abro's global popularity doesn't translate to effective fuel injection cleaning. This solvent-based cleaner uses number-to-gas oil, which is essentially diesel fuel, as its main ingredient. Diesel wasn't designed for cleaning gasoline fuel systems and can cause more problems than it solves while it breaks up some carbon deposits and may improve rough idling temporarily. It doesn't dissolve deposits completely. Remaining particles can block sensitive fuel injectors, and the diesel component actually clogs filters over time. Users report no improvement in fuel economy, likely because the incomplete cleaning creates richer or leaner fuel mixtures that reduce efficiency rather than improve it. Ethanol-based cleaner risks. Ethanol-based cleaners might seem logical since most fuel contains ethanol, but they're problematic for several reasons. Ethanol is hygroscopic, meaning it attracts and absorbs water from the atmosphere, increasing corrosion risk throughout your fuel system. This corrosion can cost hundreds to thousands of dollars to repair. Like other inferior cleaners, ethanol loosens debris without dissolving it, leading to fuel system clogs. Remember to like this video if you're learning something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips that could save you thousands in repairs. Surprisingly ineffective popular products. Marvel Mystery Oil limitations. Marvel Mystery Oil has maintained its reputation for nearly a century as an excellent fuel additive, but it's not a fuel injector cleaner. The company makes no such claims because MMO is primarily a lubricant designed for upper cylinders, fuel pumps, and injectors. While it prevents carbon buildup when mixed with oil and can slow deposit formation in newer engines, it cannot remove existing carbon deposits. If your engine is relatively new and you want to prevent carbon accumulation, MMO works well. However, cars with significant carbon buildup need cleaners containing P for effective cleaning rather than just lubrication. Kerosene-based cleaner dangers. Many budget fuel system cleaners use actual kerosene because it's an affordable petroleum distillate that blends with gasoline. Kerosene lowers gasoline octane ratings, causing engine knocking that can destroy engines at costs exceeding $10,000. It also dilutes fuel, causing incomplete combustion that actually increases carbon buildup, especially on spark plugs, while making cold weather starting more difficult. The top fuel injector cleaners that actually work. Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner. Lucas Oil's for decades of experience shows in their fuel system cleaners, though they're better known for versatility than pure cleaning power. This makes Lucas ideal for preventive maintenance and regular fuel system care rather than aggressive cleaning of neglected engines. Royal Purple Max Clean Excellence. Royal Purple Max Clean stands out for its realistic claims, backed by verified results and extended treatment intervals. While most competitors require treatment every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, Max Clean works for 10,000 miles due to its concentrated P formula. You can even add small amounts to stored fuel to prevent degradation, and it effectively reduces engine knocking as it dissolves deposits. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Redline represents the most aggressive approach to fuel injection, cleaning with P concentrations between 30 and 50%, compared to Royal Purple's 15% maximum. When used correctly and regularly, it prevents future carbon buildup better than gentler alternatives. But mistakes can cause problems. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Backed by America's second largest oil company, Techron Concentrate enjoys universal love from manufacturers and fleet managers worldwide. The slightly higher price reflects its popularity and proven effectiveness, making it the gold standard for professional fuel system cleaning. The ultimate solution. Top-tier gas advantage. The best fuel injector cleaner isn't bought separately, but comes pre-mixed in top-tier gasoline and diesel. Better yet, simply use top-tier gasoline for effortless fuel system maintenance without any risk of user error. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you make better fuel system decisions, please like and subscribe for more automotive insights. Share your fuel injector cleaner experiences in the comments below, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next.